So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy put options on stocks in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go down to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass or the search tab. And now what you want to do is find a stock that you wish to buy put options on. So not all the stocks offer options. So if you just want to go to the options tab here at the right, so right now we're on stocks. If you press on options, you can view a bunch of different stocks that offer options. So just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead to where it says more, and we're just going to use Tesla as an example, but this can be whatever stock you wish. This is just strictly for an example. So we're going to go ahead and press on Tesla. Then right now it says, I believe that TSLA will rise, or you can change this to TSLA, so Tesla will fall, and that is where we're going to be buying put options. So make sure you press on where it says rise, change that to where it says put options, and this means that it's going to fall. Now if you want to change the date, so you can press on September or whatever date you want and select whatever date you want to do, but for demonstration purposes, we're just going to go ahead and keep this the same. And you can go ahead and scroll a whole bunch of different options in regards to the strike price that you wish to do. So there's the strike price, there's the premium, all this kind of stuff. So for example, if you just wanted to push this one, for example, at $270 USD, we can press on that. Then you can go ahead and press on buy. You can press on get started if you have options turned on, but there you go. That is the process on how to buy put options on stocks here in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.